Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to convert text to video for free using AI tools. First, start by opening your browser and going to Pictory.ai. This platform allows you to create engaging videos from text quickly. Sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, select the text to video option. Now, copy the text you want to turn into a video and paste it into the provided text box. Click Proceed and Pictory will generate a video structure based on the content. It may take a few seconds. Next, you'll see a range of video templates. Choose the one that best matches your style and click Select. Pictory will then auto-generate visuals and text animations for each line or paragraph of your text. After this, review each scene. Pictory allows you to replace visuals, edit text, and adjust colors to better match your brand. You can also add background music or voiceovers by using the free options available in their media library. When your video is ready, click on Generate. This will process the video, which can take a minute or two. Once it's done, click Download to save it to your computer. That's it! You've just converted text to video for free using AI. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.